Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about taxonomic system related to biology, the allied fundamentals of biology course for BSc biochemistry students. Before going to start taxonomy, the definition. The Greek word taxis means arrangement and nomos means laws. Taxonomy is the science dealing with classification. In biology or any other field, systematic classification is necessary to bring about the apparent chaos. It can be arranged into groups having common property. In biology, taxonomy aims at grouping of organisms on the basis of mutual similarities into units called taxa, the singular taxon. The Swedish naturalist, everyone known, the father of taxonomy, Linnaeus, he has called for father of taxonomy. The father of taxonomy, Linnaeus, introduced the hierarchical system. The systems have plant and animal kingdoms. There are 4 categories: class, order, genus, species for plant and animal world. Taxonomy was the use of bionomical nomenclature for all species of plants and animals. The taxonomy arrangement. First one is the kingdom, second one is the phylum, third one is class, fourth one is order, fifth one is family, sixth one is genus, seventh one is species. The genus always writing in capital letter, the species always writing in small letter. This is the indication of genus and species. Genus mainly called capital letter, species mainly called small letter words. The taxonomy unit, the basic taxonomy unit of biological organism is a species. In case of bacteria, species is defined as collection of strains which resemble each other. Many other characteristics differ significantly from the collection of strains. A strain defined as the descendants of a single colony of pure culture. The hierarchical taxa. There are 2 types of hierarchical taxonomy. First one is the classical taxonomy, the another one is the molecular taxonomy. In biology, taxonomy aims at a grouping of organisms on the basis of mutual similarities into unit called taxa. The taxonomy unit may be different level, the molecular and classical level. This classical level is the traditional one, molecular level is the advanced one. What are the objectives of taxonomy? Why need for taxonomy is necessary for biological system? The phenotypic characteristics which are expressed in organism can be examined visually or can be tested by other means. Taxonomy is assigned to taxon in name. The name of taxon is known as the nomenclature. Generic name is a Latinized with the capital letter. Already told the Latinized genus name. The species name is written small hand. The taxonomy serves to instrument for identification of bacteria. Some of the examples. Early taxonomy system. The first Aristotle, 350 BC, the father of biological taxonomy, developed the first accepted system on biological classification. Everything grouped as plants or animals. Plants, animals, herbs, shrubs, trees, land, sea, air. Is Aristotle, father of botany, also it classified all the plants on the basis of form, texture, divided into trees, shrubs, undershrubs, and herbs. The nomenclature is defined as the system naming the plants, animals, and other objectives are group of plants, animals, and other objectives. When the taxonomist identified describe the natural groups, he appreciates the scientific names of groups. Common names do not serve for because of particular systems. World, for example, bird that we know, Gloria in India, and Pakistan is known to different name in other countries. This is the importance of nomenclature. The binomial nomenclature. Bi means 2. The 2 words. The scientific names Latin or Latinized. These were called binary generic names. Often specific names of animals and plants are given honor to some person. If the person honored is a man, the specific name ends in I. For example, earthworm, Lumbricates frieds is named after Review H. Fried. If the person honored is a woman, the specific name ends AE. Something having the Indians locality or color of animals, Niger of for black. Binomial nomenclature examples. Scientific literature, it is general practice to write the specific names, persons, described species, otherwise For example, scientific name of man, Homo sapiens. The discovered scientist Linnaeus, 1758. The publication is transferred to another Genesis generic name changed first author written by brackets. For examples, Parthenia Leo Linnaeus, the scientist bracket means that species Leo was originally assigned by Linnaeus to some other genus. The importance of taxonomy: it helps to assign the number of living beings on earth. More than 1 million of species of plants and animals have been discovered and classified so far. It aims to classify living organisms classified scientifically, which helps to have understanding. It helps to get idea on traits present in plants and animals. It gives an idea of the order of physical development. It gives idea on local fauna and flora, thus helping to distinguish endemic species. Local fauna means animals, the flora means plants. The modern taxonomy: nowadays the many researchers focused on taxonomy, but nobody focused on many similarities to the animals. That's why the urgent need for taxonomists to find out the structural similarity, chromosomal structure, reproductive potential, biochemical similarities, comparing the DNA and amino acids, embryology and development of breeding, the geographical distribution. For example, taxonomy for animals: one of the animal, frog, the kingdom Animalia, the red indicate the what are the systematic position. First one is the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia, order Anura, family Ranidae, genus Rana, species Tigrina. This is the indication of some systematic position based on the taxonomic principles. Scope of the What are the scope of taxonomy? Taxonomy aims to classify living creatures. It helps to ascertain the number of living species on earth. It helps to getting idea what about the characteristics present. Taxonomy gives idea for physical development. It gives idea of local fauna and flora for the organism studies based on taxonomic research. Thank you for